Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix an iPhone 6's screen. First, gather all necessary tools like a pentalobe screwdriver and a new screen replacement kit. Ensure your workspace is clean and well lit. Remember to back up your iPhone's data before starting any repair to prevent loss. This preparation ensures a smoother and safer repair process for your device. Now, let's open your iPhone 6's. Begin by powering off your device completely to avoid any accidental damage. Next, remove the two pentalobe screws found on either side of the charging port. Carefully use a suction cup on the screen and a prying tool to gently lift and separate the screen assembly from the phone's body. Take your time and be gentle. With the iPhone open, it's time to disconnect the old screen. Always start by disconnecting the battery connector for safety. Then, remove the small metal shield that covers the display cable connectors. Carefully detach the 3 display and digitizer cables from the logic board. Finally, transfer the home button assembly and the front camera from your old screen to the new replacement screen. Now for reassembly. Connect the new screen's cables securely to the logic board. Reattach the metal shield over the connectors and then reconnect the battery. Carefully close the iPhone, making sure the screen aligns perfectly with the frame. Once closed, power on your device and thoroughly test all functions, including the touch screen, front camera, and home button, to ensure everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.